All right. Hey, it's Russ. I've been working all day on this laptop to see if I can't get a recording in here and actually have it work. So let's knock this down real quick. If you're watching this on YouTube, Facebook, anywhere, I appreciate it. Leave some comments. Love to see what you're doing, what you're up to. And here's the quote of the day. Here's the quote of the day. I am strong because I have been weak. I am fearless because I've been afraid. And I'm wise because I have been foolish. That's a pretty good quote. I am strong because I've been weak. I am fearless because I've been afraid. And I am wise because I've been foolish. Now, the reality is I'm still weak, foolish, and afraid now and then. You know, we all are. And if you say that that's never happened to you, I'm going to call you out on that, because there's always a time where we have vulnerabilities. We're not exactly who we present ourselves to be. Social media is really great at playing your A label, outtakes. Yeah, there's no B roll in there, so it's really a presentation of our best self. And the reality is that we're not our best selves all the time, every day. And because I'm weak, I continue to work. I continue to improve my skills. I continue to evolve into a better person so I can help others improve their lives. I keep building my strength so I can, improve my network. There are people that you may want to meet that I know. There may be people that you know that I want to meet. It's all about making this a community, being a real community and building relationships around this. And part of the skill set that I developed over time is doing that, just that, building a relationship and nurturing your community. I'm going on a mission to help 200 people, help 200 people, to help 200 people. And I don't know if you've ever thought about the math behind that. And something so simple, it's like, oh, okay, I got to have these big dreams, these big ambitions. If you read Kevin Kelly's book, 1,000 True Fans, or you've experienced that concept, you understand that it doesn't take a whole lot of effort with a whole lot of people to make an impact on the world. You can make an impact on one person. It doesn't, you don't have to have this amazing, it's great. Ambitions are phenomenal. Some of the things that people have done out there are amazing. I could take 200 and change that to 2,000 and 2 million. It's all scalable. And right now, for this conversation, I'm talking about weakness, being afraid and being foolish. And, I'm afraid because I know I can only help some of you. I'm afraid that, not everyone is in a position to be helped. Not everyone is in the business to be helped. I want to help people that are out there helping other people, and I want you to build and grow every single day. So it's this thing that keeps going. It's perpetual. I was talking to somebody the other day about a perpetual motion. Imagine if you can create something that continues to grow. That's a legacy, right? Who doesn't want a legacy? And the foolish thing is about it, it's like striking matches. Striking matches came out, and we had this challenge that presented and Andrew McMasters, he presented me with the challenge. And it's like, that is a phenomenal challenge. And I keep striking matches until, hey, something flames up, and I really believe this is it. And I've been really, somebody got mad at me the other day, saying, I still don't know what you do. How do you help, or who you help? Well, I help coaches, authors, and speakers build their audience, their community, and nurture their community going forward. It's a pretty simple equation. Using technology and, some things that I've learned over the last 30 years. It's not a matter of if I can help you, it's a matter of how I can help you. So I just want to put that out there and make sure that if you're ready to strike another match, keep going. I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to, it's hard to fall down if you're in the process of lifting somebody up. So think about how you can help others. Think about what you're delivering and thinking how you can deliver results every single day. And the tip of the day is, here's the 2-minute tip coming up. The 2-minute tip is, you're going to run into problems. You're going to run into challenges. You're going to run into obstacles. You're going to run into everything that was going to try to stop you in the world. And the tip is, think about how you can help others and put that into perspective and know that you're capable and able to do that. And just take a deep breath and say, I know this is helping others. This is going to be good. This is going to be valuable. And this is something that's going to help others move forward. So anyway, I'm just happy that this recording actually was able to finish. And I'll throw some show notes in the post. And if you're on LinkedIn, love the LinkedIn community. If you're on YouTube, I would love to have you subscribe, make some comments, leave some comments. You know the routine. Podcast, if you're listening to this on a podcast, I appreciate each and every one of those mediums. And I would love to have you join me on bookruss.com. We'll schedule some time and see what you can do. All right? Until next time, you enjoy your day.